This is the Phidgets 3053-0 dual SSR relay board. So you can see on the label it says made in China, and it comes in this electrostatic zip bag. Let's go ahead and remove it from the bag and take a closer look at the board. Now you might use one of these relay boards if, for example, you have a Phidgets interface kit. You would take one of the digital outputs and you could hook the output into one of these terminals, and then you could have a motor or some other high-powered device connected to these terminals here. As you can see from the board, it says it supports 9 amps, 40 volts DC current, or 28 volts alternating current. So it does have some screw holes here in the corners for mounting. If you have a case or enclosure, the back of it is fairly simple. These are screw terminals here at the end, so you would insert your wires into there, and then you could screw down on these slotted screws. Same thing on the other side. Could hook this up to your Phidgets interface kit, one of the digital outputs, and then screw down on your wires. So that is the Phidgets 3053 dual SSR board.